How to turn on animations on Duolingo language lessons app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you turn on animation on Duolingo. If you want to do it so, you have to follow the steps. Now, since I'm using a web version, you could also use an application. The procedure will remain the same. Now, what you have to do is open up a browser. Then on the web address bar, you want to type duolingo.com and then you have to go ahead and log into your account, entering your credential. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this sort of field. You have to tap the cross icon from the top left hand side. When you're on the web page, you could see this sort of version. Now, this sort of interface. Here, you have to go ahead and click the more icon at the bottom of the page. Once you click on more, you could see a lot of options as you could see. There is this pop-up menu. So go to settings from the more. As you go to settings, you could find preferences section right over here. So what you want to do is make sure to go ahead and select animation. You could see there is it. Here it is. Now just toggle the button or the button and you've successfully turned on animation on Duolingo. So in case of mobile device, in case of a mobile version, what you have to do is settings just go to your profile from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. You want to go to this section where you have to scroll down a bit and you could find animation. Just toggle a button as I did and you have successfully turned on animation on Duolingo app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.